I'm gonna show you it don't run. I don't know what's wrong with it, but we're gonna show you what we're gonna figure it out together. Let's see what it is. First thing you do, put your voltmeter on volts DC. That's V with a straight line. So we go to 200 volts. First thing you always do, put on the main negative and the main positive. Then we're going to check battery voltage. And then you turn the key on, put it in forward, make sure the toe switch isn't run, and hit the gas. But in this case, it can't click the solenoid for some reason, so we have to figure it out. To the controller. Yeah, nothing, leave it on. And we're going to check the black lead on main negative. Every test with the black lead, we're going to check on the small post on the solenoid. Check the yellow wire. Alright. Because what that is, on the yellow wire, if you have voltage there, that tells you the key switch is good and the controller is putting out voltage to the key switch. Let's check voltage on the small yellow wire on the solenoid. Alright, turn the key off. Alright, now if you don't have voltage here, go to my prior videos and see. I have more troubleshooting on that, and you'll see a closer detailed step. Turn the key on. Now when you turn the key back on, you have voltage, so that tells me the key switch is good and toe switch is good. The reed switch is good, which is the charger interlock on the back of the charger plug. That's good. That eliminates all of that. So now what we're going to do is test. We're going to test voltage. We got that. Next thing we're going to test is voltage going to the floorboard micro switch. Black lead on main negative. And then you got this plug right here. The big plug. This is your black, white. You see there, black, white, red, and green. And what that is, that's voltage going to the floorboard micro switch and the ITS. Because the only thing we're missing now is voltage from the ITS, because we know the key switch is good, toe switch is good. And now what I'm going to do is put my red lead inside the red wire. You can see I have voltage going to the micro switch and the floorboard, and the green wire is a return from it. Hit the gas. When he hits the gas, voltage should cross over. Hit the gas, key on. Hit it again. What you got? There. Alright, so we got voltage there. We got voltage on the red wire here, which is the input to the micro switch and the floorboard. Now I'm going to plug it to the green wire. Hit the gas. Alright, now you see there you got voltage. Let go to gas. Hit it again. So that tells you the micro switch and the floorboard is good. Next thing we're going to test is your ITS. Your white wire feeds the ITS. And you can see right there we already have 5 volts. Alright, so that's bad anyway. It should be 14. Alright. So that tells me right there that the cart's shutting down for high pedal disable. Floor. Let go. Yeah. So right there, the white wire showing 2.9, which is full pedal, and the black wire showing not even 5 volts, should be 14 volts. So that right telling me it's a bad controller. So what we're going to do is change this here, man. And that's the problem with this one, man. If you got this problem, replace the controller or fix it, man. All right, stay tuned.
Hit that like and subscribe button for me.